Hello everyone. I've been getting many queries. Why should we let go when it comes to height gain? And many people said that we should visualize and keep repeating and acting as if we are tall. Only then we'll gain height. But the thing is, you don't have to act as if you're tall. Consider a tall person. A tall person, he or she, will never be reminding his or her own self that he or she is tall. A tall person will never be like, I'm tall, I'm tall, I'm tall. Because what is obvious that he or she is tall, he or she does not need to state that. That is being as if tall. A tall person is more concerned about life goals, is more concerned about future. A tall person does not act or be as if he or she is tall. A tall person acts as if he or she is normal. A tall person acts as if he or she is a human being. That is the key, that is the point. You have to be focused on your own life goals, on your own priorities, and on your own career. You have already visualized once, you have already stated your intention once that you're tall, that you have good height. Now you need to let it go. The more you try to remind yourself, I'm tall, the harder the resistance will come inside from you. A tall person does not need to remind oneself that he or she is tall. It's an obvious fact. So that is the state of frequency you have to emit to the universe. Now, many people say if we have to lose weight, we need to work out daily and remind ourselves daily that we have to lose weight or we have to gain muscles. Why is it different when it comes to height? See, you know when you work out, you'll gain muscles or you'll lose fat. It is there in your subconscious, but in your subconscious, the other thought related to height is you have passed a certain age. Now, no matter how much efforts you put in, no matter what you do, you won't be able to gain height. That thought is there, and the more you remind yourself and act as if you're taller and visualize daily, the harder the resistance and the subconscious will come from. That is why you have to let it go so that that thought sinks in. That thought will sink only when you are not disturbing it and when you are not forcing it down your own self. You do the intentions, you do the affirmations once, 5 days, 9 days, whichever practice you want. Any practice is there on the net, take any of them. But after that, be as if you are taller. Don't act as if you are tall. A tall person is of no use if he or she is not successful, if he or she has not accomplished great things. It's about because then that tall person has got no use of height. So every tall person is focused on life and goals and careers and things about achieving. They are not focused on height. They are not thinking about their height. And that is the state of frequency you have to reach. Have a great day and great life.